This short video will go over how to repair hoses, and you can repair either the male end, the female end, or if you have a leak or a hole in the middle of the hose, you can cut it and actually repair it. And I'm using a hose repair kit that we sell at shop.thecelticfarm.com. It's a very nice kit. It comes with all the pieces. So it comes with a female connector, a male connector, 2 hose clamps, a little bit of plumber's tape if you want to put an extra seal on, and a few extra washers. So it's a complete kit. Like I said, you can use it to repair either end or to repair a cut in the middle of a hose. So if you're repairing a cut in the middle, make sure you get a nice clean edge that'll seal up nice and easy. And I'm going to go ahead and let's remove these, and I'll just show you how to do each end. So you come in and you can take, I'll take the male end and we're going to put it in. But first thing you want to do is take the hose clamp and go ahead and slide it onto the end like this. And then you're going to stick this into the end of the hose. Now the hose clamp isn't going to come all the way to the end. You just want it to come over this second little piece right here. And all you need is a screwdriver to make this happen. Let's go ahead and finish this. We'll kind of wiggle it on. There you go. You can see I've got a nice seal. And then I'm just going to slide the clamp up, leaving about a 1/2 inch on the end. And then I'll just tighten these screws. Get these as tight as you possibly can, because they'll provide a nice seal, and you're done. So that's all you need to do to repair the hose. It's quick and simple, and once again, you can get them at shop.thecelticfarm.com. Thanks.